Hello and welcome to this video guide on how to use our monthly individual budget file. The first thing you need to do is to unzip the file that you received from us. There you will find two more files, the Excel file with the model and the instructions in PDF. When you open the instructions file, you will find some useful information on how to use the model properly. We strongly recommend to read these instructions carefully before opening the model and beginning your work. You can always find up-to-date instructions on our YouTube channel by simply clicking the link from the PDF file. Also, feel free to contact us on any question through email and socials. Now let's get back to the unpacked folder and open the Excel file monthly budget. You will find yourself on the cover page containing the inputs for personalizing your Excel model. Click on the cell to simply choose the current year. Do the same with the current month. Then enter manually your name and your starting balance for the current month. Finally, choose the preferred currency. You will also find some important checks on the cover page, whether your income for the month is according to the plan. Do your expenses access the budget? What is with your savings? And finally, what is your net cash flow for the month, positive or negative? The second sheet is the instructions, the same as you received in the PDF file. By getting back to the cover page, you will find a quick link to the main model. All information is already personalized. The left from previous month information is linked to the cover page. You can change the scale by clicking the view and changing the percentage of scale. The best idea is to start filling the model with planned income items. Simply put the planned figures in the corresponding cells. You will see how the figures in the monthly cash flow start to change according to the ones that you fill. Now, as you fill the actual income during the month, you will see how the dashboard starts to react. You will be able to see how each item affects the total income of your budget. Now let's move to the next section, bills to pay. The first thing you need to do is to fill the planned amount according to your bills. You can either fill the date or leave it blank. When the bill has been paid, simply check the box corresponding to the bill. The actual sum will be placed automatically if the sum differs from the planned one. You can adjust the sum manually, but we recommend to adjust the planned sum of the bill, as this will allow the model to run smoothly. Next, let's move on to the debts to pay. Start off with filling the dates due. Then fill the planned amount to pay. Finally, do the same as in the section bills to pay. Just check the box of the debt that was paid. You will see the progress bar, the same as in bills to pay. As you pay the bills and the debts, you will see changes on the dashboard of cash flow. You can also make the changes to the actual figures manually, but we recommend to do this in the planned section. Now let's move on to the expense items section. It is one of the most important sections in the model. Optionally fill the date of the expense. Then fill in the amount of the expense. From the list, choose the correct category of the expense. For your convenience, make the notes on the expense. Don't forget to fill the expenses all over the month. You will see how the table, expense by categories, is filled automatically. When the actual sum of the expense category exceeds the planned sum, you will see a notification. Do not forget to fill the planned sum of every category. You will also see a notification if the total actual expenses sum exceeds the budget. Now let's move to the savings section. Fill it in the same way as you did with debts and bills to pay. Do not forget to fill in the planned sum of your saving. When the saving is made, just check the appropriate box. The actual sum of the saving will be filled automatically. You will see the progress bar to the right of the section. The blue line represents the planned savings for the month. The brown line represents the actual savings sum for the month. Now take a look at your monthly cash flow statement. All the figures have been filled in automatically. Pay attention that for the purpose of correct calculation, all expenses and savings figures are negative. You can also check your monthly performance on the cash flow dashboard. It is made on a waterfall basis, which means that every income is reduced by cash outflows, and finally you get cash left at the end of the month. If you have any further questions or need assistance with the model, please do not hesitate to contact us via email or social networks.